This $20 buffet was actually the first furniture flip I ever posted on my YouTube channel, and it finally sold yesterday. I picked it up on Marketplace for just $20 and completely refinished it, keeping that awesome wood grain on the doors while giving the rest a more modern look. And here were the final results. This piece cost me $20. I spent roughly $10 on materials, and after listing it, I ended up selling it for $225, leaving me with a profit of $190 after about 2.5 hours of work. Built the whole frame around it. It's all drilled and built into the side, so
That's
just
awesome.
gives it that little added modern feel to it.
This is great.
Like it?
I do.
Okay.
I do. I think it's going to work for us.
You and me both. So
Yeah,
cool.
I have a girlfriend who does the same thing you are.
Nice. Yeah. My wife loves it every time we pick up this thing.
I
Get that done, and we'll get it over there so we can load it up for you.
Awesome. Oh, keys. Probably that.
Yeah.